Now we are going to discuss about future enhancement. Through these points, I would like to uh, give some more ideas to make the project go to the next level of advancement. They are social network servers store cookie information can be utilized for detecting clones. New hybrid dynamic approach with integrating the content free approach with content based. Analyzing the genuine user activity of sending friend request and putting a threshold on suspicious clone profile. Next we are going to reach a conclusion. Here social networking sites are becoming more popular and we need more privacy and security. This project will tries to prevent fake profiles and provide image security. DWT algorithm is used for this purpose and the whole purpose is done by the server program automatically using the extraction and embedding algorithm in DWT. Now we are going to discuss about bibliography. Through these bibliography contents, anyone could refer further about my project topic, and through these journals I got the idea about my project, and through these codes I developed my project. Next we are going to discuss about the screenshots. Here I am presenting some of the screenshots of my project and role in the project Friends Hub. This is my home page. Anyone who enter the site will reach to this home page. Then this is the registration form. Here the user could enter their personal information and it will be stored in about user table, and after applying submit button they could generate an OTP and do email verification and will be uh, signed up successfully. This is the login page. Here could enter the email ID and password and get login to their Gmail, their Friends Hub account. This is the Friends Hub users newsfeed page, and the images that were seen were the uh, friends of his Friends Hub account, and this is their timeline page, and here could see the posted images of the particular user who logged in. And next is the we could see the profile picture and timeline cover of that particular user, and along with that also depict some personal information of the users email ID, phone number, location that they entered on time of this registration, and it is can be updated. There is an option also provided to update the profile and change password. In this section, this is a friend list page. Here the user could view who are his friends, to whom he sent friend request, and from where he got friend request. All these can be viewed from this page. And next is chat room. Here he could see all the friends of him, and he could select any of his friends and make chatting with them, and the chat page will be visible like this with the person, his message and the time of his message with a delete button so that any of the message could be deleted. Then next is friend search page. Here the user could type a name and find whether that people exist in this Friends Hub website. If yes, then he could make friendship with them, and there will show a friend status. If he's already made them as his friend, then it will show the message like the friend request sender whom and receiver whom, and when the date of friendship started. Next is friend's timeline page. So here he could view his particular friend's timeline page and their posted images. If uh, they the Friends Hub user or the client wish to upload an image, then he will reach to this page. Here, in the first page, he will give some title to the about his posted image. Next, text box, he could give some content about his posted image. Then, when he um, click submit button, then he will be allowed to choose the image file. After choosing the image file, he could press upload button. And after done all validation and watermarking, he will get an uploading success image. And if he tries to upload an pirated image, then he will get this message like unauthorized image not permitted here. He got this like message. Next, if someone like his friend's image and wish to download that image, then after he downloads the image after he sends the download request, then he will get this message. The person who tries to download the image will get this information like owner of the photo is asked to send photo to you. Thank you for being the Friends Hub family. Next is alert and notification page. Here, the original owner of the page will get the notifications like this. This image was tried to download by this particular person on this particular date. So the image owner has two options: uh, send photo or just ignore that notification. This is the whole activity happening in Friends Hub. Thank you for listening. Thank you.